Alright, we got our engine out of the frame and up on the lift, cleaned up. This is the Honda Forza 300. Today we're going to see how far we can get with engine disassembly. We'll start here at our top end and document this throughout the day, and let's see what kind of progress we can make. Okay, we've got our top end off. That went well. We're still going to inspect these components and get those shots. And next we'll head to the CVT transmission under this housing. Drive pulley, driven pulley, disassembly, and there's a clutch in there also we'll go into. So we now have our CVT system removed here. We took off our drive pulley, our driven pulley, and our belt, and you got your centrifugal clutch that lives in there, and we'll be tearing that stuff apart later on. The next area we're going to get into here after this inspection will be our final drive here. So we'll take these bolts out here, and we're going to have to take our wheel off, and it looks like the cover is probably on that side, so that'll be the next area we head into as we go through the whole motor here.